Hi everyone, I'm Jelena Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I cook my taco quesadillas. If you're just tired of the regular taco or you want to add some flavor to your quesadilla, this is definitely the recipe for you. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. Also, if you enjoy my content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos. So I will see you guys at the end of this video. Let's get straight into the ingredients I'll be using today. I have my flour tortillas, some spinach, my mushrooms, my taco meat that I cooked last night, and of course you need your cheese. So I've added my extra virgin olive oil to my pan, and now I'm just going to lay in my first tortilla and start building my quesadilla. And now I'm just going to add on my cheese. The cheese is so important. And you can add as much or as little cheese as you want. Make it your own quesadilla. Now I'm just going to add in my spinach. And the spinach is just going to wither as it cooks, so you can add as much or as little spinach as you like. Next, my mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Alright, so now I'm just going to add my taco meat, and this is chicken tacos that I cooked the night before. I love tacos, but sometimes I just get tired of eating the same type of taco all the time, so I'll make a taco quesadilla, and they are just excellent. So if you guys want to know how I make my chicken tacos, just let me know in the comments and I will make a video for you for that. But I'm just going to add my taco mix, my taco meats sparingly on my quesadilla. And now I'm going to go back in with some spinach because, you know, we need our greens. And I'm just going to top it off with some more cheese. And be sparing with your cheese. Just let your cheese flow. And I try to get my cheese as neat as possible and to stay on my quesadilla, but sometimes when I put too much on it, it may fall on the side of the pan. And now I'm just going to add the other taco shell, and I got my tortillas from Aldi. Alright, so now it's time for us to flip this bad boy over. And look at that crust. I love that golden brown color of that crust. I love a crunchy crust. And now I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on the opposite side. It cooked on, and look at that. That crust is just perfectly golden brown. So crunchy. Alright, so my quesadilla is finally done. It looks good. It smells good. It's going to taste even better. Alright, so I just wanted to give the quesadilla a quick cut for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like inside. A quick sample, let you guys know how it tastes. This is how it looks inside, and then I put a lot of taco meat in it so it seeps out of the taco shell, and it's really messy. I'm gonna dip it in some sour cream. So sour cream here. Really good. And really messy. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today as I made my taco quesadillas. Let me know in the comments if you think this is a recipe that you all will try. If you enjoy my content and you like my videos, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, press that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next video. So have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.